Hi, my name is Naly, and I am the owner of Naly's Notions and Devotions. I'm going to show you how to tie the rope on one of my shift boots. First, the shift boot comes with an optional rope, and if you would like to know how I tie it, this is the way. I first make an initial knot, like this, and adjust it, the opening to however tight you want it to be. Then I make one bunny ear, take this loose end, wrap it around the bunny ear, make another bunny ear with it, and then put the bunny ear through the knot and pull, just like that. And to adjust it, you can also pull down if you don't like the knots to be too saggy. And if this rope is too long, you can knot it at the ends, just like what I did here, and cut off any excess rope so it could be shortened. Thanks for watching my video. I'll be adding all of the descriptions on how to get one of these in the link below. Bye!